Hello students, good morning to all. Today we will be starting with the second semester portion. And the first thing we will be studying is chapter number 15, From Market to Home. Let us start with the chapter. My name is Vaishali. My father is a vegetable seller. My mother, Bhai, Chotu and I help father with his work. So students, this is a story of a girl named Vaishali, and her father is a vegetable seller, means a person who sells vegetables for earning money. Vaishali, her mother, Bhai Chotu, help her father in his work. એટલે mother, Bhai, Chotu and Vaishali all help Vaishali's father in his work. Can you guess at what time we begin our work? At 3 o'clock in the morning, when most people are fast asleep, we start our work. So then Vaishali tells us to guess the time when they wake up in the morning. એટલે અંદાજો લગાવો ખાલી કે આપણે સવારના કેટલા વાગે ઉઠતા હશું. Then Vaishali says at 3 o'clock in the morning, when most of the people are sleeping and they start their work at that time. Taking out the previous day's vegetables from the gunny bags and baskets and arrange them. On the other hand, preparation of bringing the fresh vegetables from the mandi, big market. Sometimes Chotu also helps us. Then the first thing what they do is they remove the previous day's vegetables from the gunny bags and baskets. Previous days એટલે ગઈકાલની જે વેજીટેબલ્સ છે તે ગની બેગ્સ ને બાસ્કેટ્સમાંથી કરે. એટલે કોથળામાં હોય કે બકેટ્સમાં હોય તો એમાંથી કરે ગઈકાલની વેજીટેબલ્સ પહેલાં ને એને બરાબર રીતે અરેન્જ કરે એટલે સારી રીતે ગોઠવે એને. And on the other hand, they bring the fresh vegetables from the mandi. મંડી એટલે બિગ માર્કેટ જો બધી વેજીટેબલ્સ સાથે મળી જાય. And sometimes Chotu also helps us, means Vaishali's younger brother, એનો નાનો ભાઈ પણ કોઈવાર help કરે. As soon as we had our tea, after finishing the work, we heard the horn of a tempo. It is time for father, bhaiya, uncle and some others from our street to leave for the mandi. Then, as soon as they had their tea, after they finished their work, they heard the horn of the tempo. એટલે જેમાં એ લોકો જવાના છે મંડી પર એ ટેમ્પોનો હોર્નનો અવાજ સંભળાયો એ લોકોને. It is time for father, bhaiya, uncle and some others from our street to leave for the mandi. એટલે father, bhaiya, uncle ને બીજા થોડા આજુબાજુવાળા મંડી માટે નીકળવાના છે ઘરથી. Preparing for the day. Mother, Chotu and I put the previous day's vegetables in gunny bags and sprinkle some water on them. Then what they do, Mother, Chotu and Vaishali, they put the previous day's vegetables in gunny bags and sprinkle some water on them. એ લોકો ગની બેગ્સમાં બધી પાછી વ્યવસ્થિત રીતે મૂકી દે ને થોડું પાણી નાખે એના પર. સ્પ્રિંકલ એટલે છાંટવું પાણી. By 6:30 a.m., father is back from the mandi with baskets and sacks full of fresh vegetables. At the time, our house looks more like a small vegetable market. Then by 6:30, father is back from the mandi. Then by 6:30 in the morning, father is back from the mandi with baskets and sacks full of fresh vegetables. Means he brings the fresh vegetables in baskets and sacks. At that time, their house looks like a small vegetable market. એટલી બધી vegetables હોય ઘેરમાં કે ઘર જ vegetable market જેવું દેખાય. There are brinjals, potatoes, tomatoes, okra, bhindi, pumpkin, gourds, chilies and many other vegetables all around. Everybody helps in sorting out the vegetables. Then there are names of different types of vegetables which are there in the house. Brinjals, potatoes, tomatoes, ladyfingers, pumpkin, gourds, chilies and many other vegetables. And they all sort out the vegetables. એટલે બધી vegetables ને છુટ્ટી છુટ્ટી ગોઠવે એ લોકો. The vegetables which are not fully ripe and not ready to sale are kept aside. We have to sort out vegetables fast so as to reach the market as early as possible. And which vegetables are not fully ripe. એટલે જે અમને ખાવા જેવી નથી એને છૂટી કરી દે તેવી વેજીટેબલ્સને. And they sort out the vegetables fast so that Vaishali's father can reach the market as early as possible. By 7 o'clock, father arranges all the vegetables on the hand cart and leaves for the market. He says that if he is late, then his regular buyers may buy their vegetables from someone else. Then by 7 o'clock, father arranges all his vegetables on his hand cart. See, the picture of a hand cart is given on your book. And then he says that if he doesn't reach the market soon, then all his regular buyers, એટલે જે એના દરરોજના ગ્રાહકો છે તે કોઈ બીજા પાસે vegetables લઈ લેશે. As soon as father leaves, I quickly get ready as I have to reach school by 7:30 a.m. Then as soon as father leaves, Vaishali quickly gets up and gets ready for her school, as she has to reach school by 7:30 a.m. In the market, Chotu attends school in the morning. He goes to market at 10 a.m. with food for father and bhai. He stays with them at the vegetable cart until it is time for him to go to school. Then Chotu's school is also in morning. He goes to the market at 10 a.m. and he takes food with him for Vaishali's father and big brother. He stays with them with the vegetable cart till he has to go to school. Sometimes he goes directly from school to help his father. Father tries to sell previous day's vegetables first. Sometimes Chotu goes to the vegetable cart directly after going to school. And father tries to sell the previous day's vegetables first. એટલે ગઈકાલની vegetables father પહેલા sell કરવાની try કરે. નહીં કરશે તો પછી એ બગડી જશે બધી vegetables. So I hope my students have understood this chapter and story of Vaishali, how she does her daily work, how she helps her father to reach the market. Thank you. Goodbye.